Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay magsasagot ulit tayo ng additional example para sa integral of trigonometric functions. This time, ang magiging example natin will involve the integral of cosecant x, cotangent x with respect to x, and the integral of secant squared x with respect to x sa isang problem. Ang ating example number 11 is, what is the integral of the quantity 5 cosecant x cotangent x minus 4 secant squared x with respect to x? Bago natin ito applyan ng integration rule, ay paghiwalayin muna natin ang kanilang integrals dahil ito ay sum or difference ng dalawang functions. Kaya ito ay magiging the integral of 5 cosecant x cotangent x with respect to x minus the integral of 4 secant squared x with respect to x. Hindi na natin to kailangan i-simplify dahil meron na tayong integration rule para sa cosecant x cotangent x at sa secant squared x. Ang gagawin na lang natin ay ilalabas natin yung 5 at yung 4 as coefficient ng buong integral. Kaya ito ay mako-convert sa 5 times the integral of cosecant x cotangent x with respect to x minus 4 times the integral of secant squared x with respect to x. So ito na ngayon yung applyan natin ng integration rule na kung saan ang integral ng cosecant x cotangent x is negative cosecant x at ang integral ng secant squared x is tangent x. Kaya, kung i-apply natin yung rule, ang magiging sagot ay 5 times negative cosecant x minus 4 times tangent x plus c. Isi-simplify natin. Yung 5, i-multiply natin sa cosecant, ilalabas natin yung negative sign, and then yung 4, i-multiply natin sa tangent, parehas nang mawawala yung grouping symbol. Kaya, ang final answer natin is negative 5 cosecant x minus 4 tangent x plus c.